what's going on guys? Welcome to my channel Yalo, and today's activity alam niyo ba kung bakit ako nagganito? Kasi pagtitipan natin yung foreigner sa Facebook guys. Guys, pagtitipan natin yung foreigner sa Facebook. Kaya wait. Shout out to Carol Milanes, Ken Senyon, HJ, Regine TV, Gabsam Gaming. Shout out to you all. Shout out to all my subscribers. And guys, simulan natin guys. God. Actually guys, hindi ko po alam kasi kung anong sasabihin ko kasi magdudugo naman yung ilong ko dito guys. Bahala na. Ano bang itatopic ko guys? Basta tripping to guys. Tripping to talaga guys. Hindi ko ito kilala. Bahala na. Shit. Hello? I'm Rolly. Who are you?
You know who I am, Rolly.
I forgot your name.
Kira.
It's Kara Kaladin, isn't it? Isn't it? Hello? Oh, I'm Kara. Yeah, Kara, yeah?
What? Yeah.
What you doing?
I'm in bed. It's got 36 of them.
What time is it? Cause can you say
If you're really making one of them videos and you're pranking me, I'm going mad.
No, wait a minute. Can you say guwapo ako? Can you say guwapo ako?
What's that? Well, everybody else black finger back on you.
No. Can you say guwapo ako? Kara, can you say guwapo ako?
Yeah, what the hell was that mean?
Wow, my God. Please.
I don't even know how to say it. I don't even know how to start with it.
Just say it.
No.
It means good morning. Yes. It says good.
Google Translator, I'll put that in and see what actually comes up.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Can you say mabuhay?
Oh, hi.
Mabuhay.
That's a bit hard.
Can you say mabuhay?
Huh?
Can you say mabuhay?
Can you please tell me what that black thing is on your back?
It means have a good day.
It moves.
What?
It moves.
It means have a good day.
Day 3.
Yeah guys, maraming po salamat sa panood at sana pagpasensyahan niyo po yung video na yan.
Dahil namin sa sipag ayos na.